PUBG Mobile Lite is the toned-down version of PUBG Mobile and is equally as popular as the original game. The game provides an engaging battle royale experience, and its developers frequently push out updates to enhance this experience further. The 0.19.0 update of PUBG Mobile Lite went live a few days back and brought in the Survival Till Dawn and a new vehicle. Apart from this, several in-game bugs were also fixed. Players can directly update the game from the Google Play Store tap or by using the APK and OBB files. In this article, we will provide you with the download link of the APK and OBB files. You don't need an OBB file to update to the latest version of the game, just the APK file will suffice. Follow the steps given below to download and install the APK. Step 1. Download the APK from the link mentioned above. Step 2. Enable the Install from Unknown Sources option. If you haven't done so already, follow these steps: settings greater than safety and privacy greater than allow installation from unknown sources. Step 3. Install the APK file. After the installation is complete, you can enjoy playing the latest version of the game. Tips. 1. The size of the APK file is 565 MB. So, you must ensure that you have sufficient free storage space on your device. 2. If you encounter an error message stating, "There was an error parsing the package," you can consider downloading the file again and following the steps mentioned above. 3. Close all the background applications if you are downloading the game using mobile data.